How bad is it?
It's bad.
Any ID on the guy?
Just another asshole woke up hating the world.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Yeah, Cobra.
Look, I don't agree with them bringing you in here. I just want you to know that.
Yeah.
Come on! Move! Get down there, man! Shut up and get away from her! Shut up! Hey! I'll kill you, man! I'll kill them all! It's the way of the new world! It's the way of those TV cameras! Hey, man, I got a bomb here. I'll kill them all. You bring in the TV or I'll kill them all. You understand? It's the way of the new world. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Come on over here, I'll kill him, you got that? They're all trash anyway, they all deserve it. You're gonna die right now, you got that? Watch it, I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna bump her, you got it? I'm gonna kill her right now, get down.
Hey, dirtbag. You're a lousy shot. I don't like lousy shots. You wasted a kid. For nothing. Now I think it's time to waste you.
Come on, man. I got a bomb here. I'll kill her. I'll blow this whole place up.
Go ahead. I don't shop here.
Hey, just relax, amigo. You want to talk? We'll talk. I'm a sucker for good conversation.
I don't want to talk to you. Now you bring in the television cameras in here now. Come on, bring it in.
Can't do that.
Why?
I don't deal with psychos. I put them away.
I ain't no psycho, man. I'm a hero. You're looking at a fucking hunter. I'm a hero of the new world.
You're a disease, and I'm the cure.
Die!